welcome to Chitika's Searchapplooza, where we're going to talk about some fantastic new search applications and have a fantastic time eating cookies. You guys can vote via Twitter from this room right here. We have Ken Konicki here from presenting for the app called MiddleSpot. It's a cool search app that allows users to save and aggregate their search results and then quickly share them with friends, colleagues, and others.
MiddleSpot.com is a visual search interface. Here I'm interested in Jennifer Aniston. I key in the search, query, hit search. So now, as you can see, immediately we get the text results on the left, and on the right, all the screenshots. We think WordPads is a pretty cool aspect of MiddleSpot. I click Save to WordPad. There we go. My WordPad tab opens in the bottom.
I do like the grid layout that you've done for the visual images. I think it's much more efficient than flipping through some of the other things that we've seen people do, which is very cover flow-like, right?
All right. Next up, we have Nick Grandy presenting Torpedo.
It interprets the search as you type it. SFO JFK on Friday, maybe 3 seats, maybe I want to fly on Delta.
I worked in the travel space on the site before, and I found this a really unique approach to how to handle kind of search queries.
Next up is Brian Cray with his Nearby Tweets application.
How many of you use Twitter? So, as a person, as a consumer, I have the ability, or maybe as a business, have the ability to now find people who are Twittering near me and connect with them. Traditionally, marketers have been able to measure almost everything we do, but buzz has been one of those things that just happens in real time, and we can't capture that. And now, with Nearby Tweets, you can geographically segment what's happening on Twitter and monitor those over time.
I like it a lot after listening to Guy Kawasaki this morning and how he was using Twitter. Yeah, I like it a lot.
Next, we have Chris Golda presenting Backtype.
Backtype is a conversational search engine. What that essentially means is that we index and connect millions of conversations from blogs, social networks, and other social media. We take all the shortened URLs on Twitter and resolve them so you know when someone tweets about you, whether they mention any keywords or not. So we thought that was pretty compelling.
I like it. You certainly touch upon something that the vast majority of at least our clients are always asking for. How do I monitor this stuff? How do I pay attention to what's going on? I think you probably got to jog uphill backwards a little bit and differentiate yourself from Meltwater News or Radiant 6 or some of these other guys that are out there. But the interface seems pretty easy, seems pretty clean, pretty cool.
Okay, last but certainly not least, Tom Wild's here to present everyzing.com.
So what we do is we, on a white label basis, ingest our customers' audio and video content, push it through our cloud, which marks it up with a timestamped transcript, tags, and full indexing, and then push it through a publishing platform. Once we do this and publish it on their website, it becomes discoverable in the major search engines.
Rocket science technology, this is great stuff, but I'm skeptical whether it will work on the consumer side. Maybe it has more value on the enterprise side. So what is your business model or target market?
Yes, it's a software as a service business model, so it is a B2B, more of an enterprise model, and we work with major publishers and broadcasters on the web.
Great, it has tremendous value to them. Good.
Chitika is a search-targeted advertising network. Generally, publishers who run us on the same page as Google are seeing about a 20 to 30% increase to their overall earnings. So any website publishers out there, you probably want to give us a shot. And it looks like in first place and the winner of the Kindle 2 sponsored by Yahoo is everyzing.com.